Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Cocomi has appealed to the public to sustain the ongoing and no NRC, no census agitation without fatigue until their demands are met. In a press release issued by convener of Cocomi's IPR subcommittee, it was highlighted that several years ago, Cocomi and UNC submitted a memorandum to the Government of India urging implementation of NRC in Manipur to address the demographic threats posed by illegal immigrants. Various civil society organizations across both hills and valley continue to spearhead the intense No NRC, No Census campaign. The release stated that the government must not take this movement lightly and emphasized the need for constructive, long-term measures rather than suppression. Cocomi asserted that the public's demand strictly operates within the framework of existing laws, urging the authorities to implement the legal provisions. According to the committee, the demand to conduct NRC prior to any census, resettle internally displaced persons, IDPs, in their original habitats, and build consensus among coexisting communities before carrying out enumeration is entirely justified. The release criticized the government's attempts to clamp down on genuine public demands instead of addressing them. It further urged government employees not to act blindly against the collective interest of indigenous people at the behest of higher authorities, cautioning that working against the public will be viewed as anti-people action. Cocomi also condemned the state government's decision to declare a 3-day holiday for educational institutions as an attempt to suppress the movement. It called the attempt as anti-people measure and reiterated its call for unified, sustained public resistance.